Welcome back to Gadget Beard. On today's video, we're gonna unbox the OnePlus Stylo. Gadget Beard. Looking at the packaging right here, typical packaging again from OnePlus. You have the picture of the OnePlus Stylo looking very similar to the Apple Pencil. OnePlus Stylo, OnePlus branding there. Nothing else is in the back. Let's go ahead and unbox the pencil here. And look at that. Oh, nice. Look at that. It has a very magnetic. That's actually pretty cool. Comes with magnetic storage there. Keeps the pencil in place. So we do know that the pencil is going to charge magnetically. And then you do have your OnePlus Stylo user guide and warranty information there. Boom. You do get an extra tips here. And you have the OnePlus Stylo itself. Looking at the pencil, it absolutely looks fantastic. You got OnePlus there. You got like a little chrome tip here on top, and this is the flat side, so I think this is where it's gonna charge magnetically through the OnePlus pad. Let's go ahead and remove this sticker on here to make it look a lot better. Bam, look at that. And I think you do have like an accessory, like a double tap feature here, but let's go ahead and grab the OnePlus pad, and this is how it's gonna charge. And there you have it. So make sure it points that way towards the volume rocker. You're gonna see a quick animation right there and everything. So you do have to write the correct portion to charge it, and it does charge like this right there. Bam. Towards the back, you see the animation quickly pop up. So it's at all the way to the back, pointing towards the volume rocker there, and that's just the way you align it and everything. But you do get a notes app here, so this is nice and paired. And now we can go ahead and click on the notes app. Let's go ahead and click on the new one and grab a pencil here. Subscribe to here, and it feels very nice, almost like if you're using a, so you do have that tap feature, as you can see. Double tap, I can change between eraser and pen, so that is there just like the iPad pencil, but looks very good, feels good in hand, writes very good. Hi. Bam, there you go. Feels very good in hand. This is just a quick unboxing and first impressions of the pencil for the OnePlus pad. This is the OnePlus Stylo. It's available at oneplus.com along with the magnetic keyboard and the OnePlus pad. If you haven't gone and take a look at it, I strongly suggest you go over there. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.